Okay, you can see we've developed a Louver scrubber cleaner. It's water fed, and we'll show you how it works, and we'll show you how we clean the louvers with this scrubber. So here we have it out of the bucket and valve, and you connect your water source here. We've got a pump pack and we use our cleaning solution for that, and it comes out at the pads. You've got a comes out on this side and that side, that way it puts water on both sides of the louver. And here you can adjust the height to the louvers, loose or tight as you'd like to have it. The handle's there to scrub, you'll see when we do it. And you just put it in your bucket on the belt and you're ready to go. So here are the louvers we're going to do. I'll give you a quick look at the bank of louvers that we're going to do. Just give you a quick shot and then we'll get on with it, how we clean it. So we'll start with the top here, and you just put the scrubber there. I've put a bit of water on it, pumped the pack up a bit, scrubbed it, and there's a piece of glass right at the top, and I'll show you how you can do it with this scrubber. You can see it's doing both sides like this, and we just proceed and scrubbing them. You can see it's just one-handed motion, and this one. So now we've got a microfiber cloth and we're just wiping the solution off with a nice clean microfiber, both sides. And you just wipe the excess soap or water. You can use a pure water system as well. And you do this one, making sure you get most of the water off. And now I'll get a scrim and just detail it. It's quite dry anyway, but just to detail the other louvers a little bit, and it's done. And that's how we've done the top ones. We just touch it up a little bit, but that's how they done. This is the top row, and I'll proceed to show how we done the bottom bits. So here we have the bottom ones, and you can see we can just scrub it quite quickly like that. Especially these bottom ones, hard to get on the underside. Very easily done here. And now we got the microfiber. Wipe the excess water off. In this case we're using soapy solution, but it comes up quite clean. Get most of the dry water off. There. Bottom one, just move the louvers underneath. Now you get your scrim, just touch them up very quickly. Just give it a nice wipe, making sure everything's clean. And well, just, I suppose, well, that's about it.